Alright everybody, I'm going to do another little video, and this was the outfit that I just got from Temu. I did an earlier video on this, so check that out if you haven't. And I just wanted to put it on a doll so you guys had some kind of reference about how does it look in an actual doll. And I am old school. I love the older Barbies from the 80s. So I try to choose a different Barbie every time I do something on a video, and I am going to use Western Barbie as my model because when she was first out in the 80s, she was the shit, and everybody knows it. And just because she has an unfortunate melting eyeball situation happening, I feel like she still deserves some love because I think she looks pretty hot in this outfit. I paired it with her original cowboy boots, and I tucked it in. Popped collars, of course, because she's from the 80s. And I don't have her original hat, so I did kind of this little Australian outback kind of look to her, and I think she looks fabulous. So I think I'd love to see more people styling their Western Barbies, because even though she's a classic, we need to remember who she was in her heyday, right? I mean, let's not forget good old Western Barbie here before Father Time did her dirty. But I think she looks really good. So there's my little giving props to Western Barbie and the new Temu outfit, boots and hat not included. Alright, thank you Western Barbie, you did great, still love you. Second part of this video is going to be the unboxing of the DEFA LUCY doll. And of course, my cat is right on cue because he hears me talking. He likes to talk, so what we'll do is we'll unbox this gal here if I can. Whenever I try to do an unboxing on camera, it's usually a disaster, but we'll see if it goes smoothly here. Let's try to get this out. Alright, I'll do this off camera before I punch the camera and it goes flying everywhere. Okay, so she is out of the box. She's wearing her shoes. You can see black pumps. I think they're pretty high quality, shiny. I like that, kind of like a patent leather look. Looks like she has some skinny jeans on. Some nice detailing. Button stitching. Pockets that look like they're actual working pockets. So let's see how to get her out of here. We'll clip these if I can. Just try to clip all of these. Probably won't get it on camera. I think it's easier to do it from the front. I don't know why I try to do it from the back. And then she has some at her ankle. I think that should be it. Oh, there's something. Oh, why do they do it through her head? Blind cut in here. Alright. The box is gone. Alright, so she is out of her box. These are in her head. If you want to check out her hair, it has a wave to it. It's very soft. High quality. Does seem like it's rooted pretty well. I just think because it's white in her actual skin color is peach, I think it's kind of giving a little thin appearance, but I don't think you're going to get a root a real hair root any nicer than that, because if you do too much on one head, I think the holes get too close together, then they get compromised and they start splitting. The shirt is very cute off the shoulders. I think it's high quality, like a balloon puff sleeve. Velcro's in the back, jeans Velcro in the back. There's a side seam. And the shoes are rubber band now, but I think these shoes are pretty nice for an off-brand doll. A couple little stitches hanging out, but that's not too bad. But she does have wrist articulation. She has elbows, shoulders. The neck can go up and down and back and forth. The waist, let's see if it's twist. No waist twist, but she does have articulation at the hips, and her knees do bend, but nothing at the ankles, which I prefer anyways, because I think that ankle joint in a heel looks really weird on the new dolls. Just my opinion. And let's see if we can get up close. I'm looking at her eyes. It doesn't look pixelated to me. I think it's a very nice paint job. I think the colors look natural. She has like a beige, almost like a copper shimmer to it. Her eyebrows are a medium blonde, green eyes, a little bit of blush, no ear piercings, and her lips are a nice shade of pink. A little frosted, but not overly glittery and looking tacky. And I'm kind of obsessed with white hair. I wish my hair would go all white, but I have about 20 gray hairs, so I don't think I'm going to get there anytime soon. And the reason why I got her was because she reminded me of a doll that I got for Christmas this year. And I haven't unboxed yet. Let me get this lighting out a little bit so it's not so reflective. But this doll here, I fell in love with this Tooth Fairy doll. I haven't unboxed her yet. I'm not one of those collectors that does keep things in boxes, because I like to actually play and touch these dolls and see them in 3D. So if you do a little comparison of these two, I think they're both equally pretty. I think the Mattel one has a little bit more feminine face, slight features, but again, they're both very pretty, and I feel like they could be kind of like sisters or cousins in the same family. But I'm obsessed with this white hair look because I'm sick of my dirty blonde hair, and I would love, I just say, just go all white already. But that's not how it's going to work. But yeah, both these dolls are very, very pretty. You can see her face. It's absolutely stunning. Love it. So yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with these white hair dolls. But I think she was like $11.99. The DEFA Lucy doll. So, yeah, that's my unboxing of this DEFA Lucy doll. And I think she's very pretty. I think she's worth the money. When I ordered her maybe a couple weeks ago on TEMU, it said only a few left. But I feel like it's a marketing scam. Not sure if it's true or not, accurate, but I fell for it. And I got her. So I'm really impressed with how she looks. I'm happy. I love my fairy, my Tooth Fairy Barbie. But I'm not sure if I want to take her out of the box yet. Not ready yet. So I'll get to play with this white-haired doll instead of taking the Tooth Fairy doll out. I don't know, she's just so pretty. But I do want to free her from her little box. So thanks for watching, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think of this video and what you think of this doll. And hopefully you like it enough to buy it yourselves. That way you can get a preview here. All right, everybody. I'm going to do another video soon. I totally forgot that I got a playset from Amazon back in May. And I noticed last night that I said, I don't think I ever got that playset. Then I went in my Barbie room and it was on the side of my little video shooting box here. I'm like, oh my goodness, I totally forgot about this. So look for the next video. It'll be an unboxing of a Barbie playset that I got back in May. So thanks for watching, everybody. See you soon. Bye.